yet?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Bit of a wet day as well today.
So that's the first drift day done, and I must admit I really enjoyed it, didn't you?
It was pretty good, to be fair. It's definitely something different, isn't it?
Yeah, and that, to be honest, the Volvo
Did as well.
did well. We had plenty of power.
Too much power, I think.
and we were the only Volvo there.
Which is what we wanted.
Yeah.
I think it's nice being different, like when it's just full of E36 and 46s. It's nice to just go out and have something that gets a bit more attention.
Yeah.
Like there's a lot of people looking at it, weren't there?
Oh yeah, yeah. I just love being different, so I think we've done well there.
But then we also kind of shoot ourselves in the foot a bit when it comes
spares
to
and stuff.
Well, not just that, but like we had a few problems, didn't we?
Yeah.
One of them being it was a bit sort of bouncy and everything.
Yeah, the suspension wasn't really up to much, or the shock absorbers weren't really up to much, I should say. We did upgrade the springs, didn't we? We put 2 1/4 cores on. But we just got a sort of bit of unstableness out.
It's only in one place though.
Yeah, just on the rough bit, innit?
Yeah, where that drain cover was. It was only there that it sort of just unsettled it a little bit.
Yeah.
But I think if we can put some firmer suspension on it, I think it'll be fine.
Yeah, so do I. So we've got a little bit to do. We had an overheating issue. We managed to sort that. That was just a little switch, eBay switch that wasn't really up to much. We had one tyre DB'd, which we're just going to blow that back on again for the next one. We hadn't really done too much in tyres.
It's pretty event free, to be honest. Like it was just us learning what we're doing and how to drift, really, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But I think it's difficult when you're learning how to do it as well as trying to set a car up, and it's hard to know. It's hard to learn while you're having problems with the car setup, isn't it?
That's it.
But we'll get there.
But I need to go home, have a cup of tea, and go to bed because it's been a long day.
Drift day number 2.
Yeah.
Hoping for a bit of a better day today.
Especially after last time.
A little bit less spinning out.
Last time, but that was just a few problems, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think it's just a little bit more of car setup and stuff. I think hopefully we've sorted out the issues that we had, like stiffening up the front suspension. Hopefully that makes a bit of difference. Right, so we're now sat in the queue waiting to go out on track.
Should be going out shortly. Right, so that's the second drift day all done. Actually really enjoyed it again. I think the springs were a bit of an improvement, don't you?
It was a bit better, but it's still just not quite there.
But I think we probably learnt to cope with the springs and the bouncing a little bit more, didn't we? So we were driving to the car's stability.
Yeah,
weren't we?
I think we've both improved a lot today. We're not spinning as much, and we're learning basically just how to get the back end down, how to control it.
Yeah.
Which is I think is quite an achievement in a car that's still not fully set
Not
up
fully
yet.
there.
Yeah.
But we have decided we're going to make a few changes to the car. We're actually going to now put some coilovers on the front, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're going to give the front wheels a little bit more caster and a little bit more camber. Because looking at the other cars as well and sort of trying to learn it as we go, I think just giving that extra bit of caster, bit of camber on the front wheels, when you're sideways and you're on your opposite lock, the wheelers tend to be quite on the outside edge of the grip, don't they?
Yeah.
So I think by giving it a bit of camber, you'll then flatten out and give the front end a little bit more grip as well. But like I say, we've got to try these things, see what happens.
It's just trial and error. It's just trying things out and making adjustments when you're there and when you bring it back. And you know what to do once you've been.
Yeah.
But I think I'm mega happy with how we've gotten today.
Oh, so am I.
Yeah.
So that'll do for this video. Next video, hopefully we'll be fitting some coilovers and sorting the camber and caster out as well. Really enjoyable. Hope you have enjoyed. And I think we'll see them in the next one, won't we?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. See you then.
Okay, go now.